Okay, we're going to try a little experiment here. See if I can show what I'm trying to do with patience on groundwork. On that right now. Ooh. So we're too close to her stall. So what I do, got the rope slung over my shoulder. Just kind of a loose hold on it. Down from her a little bit. And we just walk along. And I say, whoa. And if she goes too far, then she's got to back up. And then she gets, yeah, I know, we've already been doing this for a little while. I think, yeah, she gets reward with off the pressure. So come on. She won't go one way, start moving another. Try to go circles. Whoa. Good girl. And she does it right. Lots of praise. All right, come on. Starting to come over on my left side, so I'm just going to give her a little pull. She gets back where I want her to be. And she thinks we're going one way, but nope. Come on. We turn left very well. We're both working on turning right. So here's her right. Good girl, right there. Oop. Little 90 left. Whoa. All right, she's still pulled just a little bit. Back, back, back. There we go. Good girl. Left again. And left again. Now we're going to go right. Another right. This part, she's getting a little bit more pushy. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, back up. You're really pushing now. Keep going back. Back. Good girl. Because we were getting closer to her stall. So we're going to go away from the stall. But she wants to turn around and go back to it. So we're going to move away from it completely. We were doing this earlier out in the pasture where there weren't as many distractions. She was doing better. That just means she needs to do it where there are distractions too. Whoa. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, that's a girl. It's a good spot to end on. Say bye-bye.